to Durvi Patel.
Yes.
You are doing great job. I couldn't find any grammatical error. But this is the part one question, so I am unable to evaluate that much. But for this particular situation, you are good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, dear. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Okay, fine, Shivani. Good evening, Shivani.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm great, great asking. Thanks for asking. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra, ma'am.
Maharashtra. So, what is the purpose you are here?
Here to improve my communication skill.
Rather than not preparing for IELTS, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, then no problem. We will practice. What's your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is the summer because of when summer will started, I will do lots of things in at my home, like doing the cooking and doing some tasty food to eat. Yeah, that's why I like summer season.
Tasty, tasty food. You can make it as a delicious or scrumptious, palatable. So try to use some other idioms. Sorry, some other synonyms.
Okay.
Hmm. Then the last question from my hand: what activities do you normally do on rainy days?
Sorry, can you please repeat it?
What activities do you normally do on rainy days?
There are so many things I do in a raining days. Like for example, I wake up for 6 o'clock and then I will go to in a go to the in a raining day, like eating some ice creams because I love when raining will started. That time I like ice cream, so that's why I eat ice creams and I enjoy with my friends also, and I do pakoras at my homes. I enjoy these types of things, like these types of activities at my home also, and with my friend also.
Okay, avoid repetition. Okay, because you are repeating such a words oftenly.
Yes.
Okay, so try to rephrase that particular word after you mention something else. So
Okay.
rather than your content is good, dear,
Okay.
for normal
Thank.
communication you are fine.
Okay. Thank you.
If you want to gather the advanced level, means you have to hit some other reading habit, some
Okay.
reading books also. Okay, it will make you.
Definitely will
Okay.
do it.
Okay, Shivani. Nice talk with you, honey. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, then Kaushal. Alex, you want to speak? Alex, are you there? Okay, then. So, Kaushal. Good evening, Kaushal.
Very
Tell
good
me where
evening,
you are.
ma'am.
So, where are you from, by the way, dear?
I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Jaipur, the pink city.
Yes, yes,
Do you
ma'am.
know the history? Do you know the history? Why Jaipur is known as pink city?
Yeah, ma'am. Jaipur is all of the historical palace is painted by pink color. So everyone call to Pink City. Second name of Pink City.
Okay, is that the proper reason? Is the correct answer for painting in pink color?
Pink color, yeah. Lots
Okay,
of
then.
the historical palace like this Jalmain, Birla Mandir, oh sorry, Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal. So lots of the historical palace of manufactured by, developed by old heritage person like Mansingh ji. So all per Kota side, all the building painted by pink color. So second name of Pink City of Jaipur.
Okay, so we people know that most of the building are painted with a pink color.
Pink color.
That is
Yes, yes.
why we call it as pink city, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, correct, ma'am.
But the actual reason, according to my knowledge, once Queen Elizabeth, England princess, okay, visited India, So especially she want to visit Jaipur. So that
Yeah.
time, the people, the government of Jaipur decided to make everything in a pink color, painted everything in the pink color. So
No,
that
ma'am.
is
I
the day.
think that is not my knowledge,
Hmm.
uh, according your word. But maybe I am not gonna go with the deeply story. So I don't.
No,
But
I'm mentioning that. Okay, I'm not
okay,
pointing that you didn't know like that. Okay,
okay,
we people know that pink city is colored by pink color. So that is
okay.
the thing we came know. But
Hmm.
the main reason is because of Queen Elizabeth's visit, they want
Yes,
to
yes.
make something different, something unique to make their
But
city.
ma'am, as per my knowledge, the Jaipur city developed uh, uh, before British w- British लाइक दिस मतलब कि ब्रिटिश से जो कल्चर आया उससे पहले से है लाइक बिफोर ब्रिटिश कल्चर नॉट आफ्टर ब्रिटिश कल्चर
Hmm. So Elizabeth visited India before our independence.
यस
So to impress Queen Elizabeth, they made it.
या सो मे बी आई डोंट
Yeah, because
नो
I read that before a long time.
ओके
Okay, fine, fine. So by the way, why are you here? So
मैम आई एम हियर हेंस माय improve for English communication and now I am preparing of the move to abroad like this for job purpose in Canada.
for
So
job
I
purpose.
yes
So
yes. So
are you a chef?
I'll sorry.
Are you a chef? So what's your
Mm,
profession? What's your profession?
profession my service sector for like this. I am belong to telecom segment of my warehouse management.
Okay, fine, fine. No problem. So when you are planning to give that proficiency test?
Maybe said maybe in this month.
This month?
In this month.
Are you sure?
Yes yes ma'am.
May I suggest you something? If you don't mind.
Sorry.
May I suggest you something if you don't mind?
Oh, sure ma'am.
Right now you are in the beginning stage, dear. Mention that. Okay.
Okay okay.
So the main thing is you need more practice.
Yes ma'am. Yes.
So after you're practicing, if you're confident, then go with that exam. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Right now, it's not advisable to go and have that proficiency test.
Yeah.
So take that much practice, then go with that. Okay.
Okay ma'am. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your suggestion.
Okay. Yeah. Welcome, Vivi. Welcome, Puji.
Hello, Shobhima.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Right as Ryan. Nothing to say.
Okay.
So long time no see. How are you? Where were you?
I'm a bit busy, but
Mm-hmm. But
yeah.
anyway, thanks for your illustrious presence in my panel.
Oh, yo. Thanks for having me.
Because it's very rare to see you in my panel.
I know these days I'm a bit busy to join, but whenever I join, I'm in kind of Telugu rooms.
Yeah.
So nothing. Just carry on with your session. I'll join later. Continue.
Okay, dear. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye, Shobhima. Take care.